Welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic, where I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings on the eFootball PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the eFootball game on your PC, and once you open it up, from the home page, just go into the extras menu at the top section, then go into game settings, and then you will see the screen option. Enter this menu, and then enter the display quality settings. You will now see various different presets that you can choose from. Try using the high preset first and see how your game performs. If you notice any lags or performance issues, then you can come back to this menu and reduce into medium. This might solve most of your issues. You can use these 3 presets for an easier configuration, or you can go into the custom menu to manually define your options. Within here you can choose your depth of field, whether to turn it on or off, and you also have the option to choose your resolution scale. You can try reducing the resolution scale to render the game at a lower resolution and then upscale to your chosen one. Any value until 80% should be good enough, but if you go lower, then your graphics won't look as good. You can also try reducing the texture filtering option and turn off motion blur. If you reduce the shadow quality, you will also get more performance from your device. Try reducing the various other options to get a balanced performance and display quality. And once you have found this balance, you can apply these settings and start playing right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the eFootball game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.